Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Charlie, and on behalf of Charlie the Cook Andrews cooking channel, I would like to wish you and your families a happy Thanksgiving. I hope everybody's having fun. I have a couple of things that I would like to share. A lot of things I want to say. Yeah. So let's get started. I have a little list here, so bear with me. All right. So the first thing, 300,000 subscribers. Well, actually, I'm at 310 at the moment. I cannot believe it, y'all. I mean, wow. I just I just don't know what to say, but I'm very grateful and very thankful to even reach this milestone because I didn't really expect it. In the beginning, one thing I wanted to do was do cooking and video demonstrations, just to show people how to cook and bake things and just go from there. I didn't really expect the audience or anything like that. So like I said in past videos, you all are what makes Charlie what he is today. So with that being said, I would like to thank everyone who showed their support through liking, disliking, the comments, the emails, the heartfelt messages, all the people that donated, the visitations to my website, and all that other good stuff. Thank you all so very much. And also, I'm kind of celebrating the milestones on my Instagram. I reached 10K on there, and on Facebook, I'm at 24K. Even though I'm at 300K subscribers and I got a couple million views or whatever here on YouTube, there's still a lot of work to be done. I know some people are probably talking about 400K, but I won't worry about 400K when 400K get here. All right. All right. So yeah. Now, speaking of messages and comments and stuff, I'm a little backed up in that because this month I have been extremely busy since the beginning of the month. I'm about to share y'all the reason with that in just a second. But I will get to them. I was supposed to be able to respond to all of them today, but I was still busy with a lot of stuff. So I know a lot of people probably have questions about certain recipes and everything, but I'll get to you as soon as possible, okay? Yes, yes, yes. I want to share the shipment of items and stuff like that. Like I tell people, due to limitations, I just cannot do it. Especially when you're cooking like 30 different items for Thanksgiving, you just don't have time to do anything else. You know what I'm saying? So I will work towards something in the near future. All right, YouTube verification. I am officially verified here on YouTube. Yes, yes, I am. If you go on the computer, you'll see the little check mark, there on the side of my name, Charlie Andrews, a little verified check mark there. And I can't believe that either. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't expecting to get that, but hey, after careful consideration, they went ahead and approved it. I am now officially on Twitter. It's gone right. You know why? Because a long time ago I was against. I really was against joining Twitter. Here I am saying yes to Twitter. Wow. Now for the information in regards to Twitter, my YouTube. My Twitter name is CTC Andrews. You can you could attempt to find me at the hashtag Charlie the Cook Andrews, but CTC Andrews is short for Charlie the Cook Andrews, just in case if you were wondering. The CTC and A is capitalized, and the rest of the Drews is all lowercase, Yeah, now somebody asked me to join TikTok, and I don't know, it's just something about TikTok that just gives me a kind of bad vibe type of feeling, you know what I'm saying? I'm not really, no. I probably won't ever join TikTok, no. No. Yes, news in regards to the website. There's been some changes on the home page. I put all the recipe categories on the home page, so that way when you go onto the home page, there's going to be pictures and there's going to be the recipe category, and you just click on that picture and it'll take you straight to the page where all the recipes are at. Thanksgiving. Let's talk about Thanksgiving. This year I made history. In 2015, I made 25 items for Thanksgiving. This year, I broke that record. I made 27 items for Thanksgiving this year. Absolutely. And I'm about to show y'all the food presentation in just a second. I have been working at this since the beginning of the month, and I am forever grateful that I'm finished. This is what I want to say, because a lot of people are going to ask me this question. Charlie, did you do a presentation? Did you record a presentation? Yes, I did. I recorded I did a sequel. This is going to be my third Thanksgiving preparation video. Yeah, but it was very hard work doing this, 27 items you're gonna see me make on this Thanksgiving video. There are some improvements from last year's video that's gonna be on this new video. This is another big milestone that I want to share with y'all. My Thanksgiving preparation video that I released a month ago. It is it's close to. I'm not sure if it's made it there yet, but I know it's like at 940,000. I mean, I really was not expecting this, you know what I'm saying? So I just couldn't believe the numbers, like wow. I just have to say thank you all so very much. That video was very, very hard to do. It was like 350 takes. This video I actually working on is actually 300 and something takes as well. That means 300 and something videos into one. So it was very difficult recording every step of the way. That video, when it gets to 1 million views, that is going to be my very first video to ever reach 1 million views. Can you believe it? In almost 9 years. Wow. I mean, I just can't believe it, a couple of my videos went to the hundreds of thousands, but it never went that far. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. So I'm very, very shocked by it, but I'm extremely grateful, and thank you all so very much. Really, really, really appreciate everyone's support, and I'm happy that everybody enjoyed the video and it brings them joy, and and I appreciate everyone who watched the entire video. Thank you so much. Really, 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 really. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the presentation of all the food that I've made. There's 3 things missing though, but for the most part, I cooked 27 items. That's include the rice. The rice probably in the refrigerator. I didn't put that on the table because I ain't had no room. I literally did not have no room at all. I couldn't do anything else. So yeah, but I made it work. I made it happen. So let's go. All right, now here's all the food that I cooked for Thanksgiving 2021. There's 3 items that's missing, and since y'all like the desserts, we're gonna go ahead and get started with that first. All right, here we have a pecan pie made from scratch. This is a pecan pie right here, and here is another pecan pie that we made from scratch. The sweet potato pie squares. Here's the first sweet potato pie, the second sweet potato pie, the third one, and the fourth one. Here we have the vanilla almond pound cake, which is made from scratch. The lemon pound cake is gone. And here is the butter pecan ice cream sitting here melting. And here we have the homemade honey wheat dinner rolls. Look at that. Give y'all a close-up view. Ooh. All right, and for the savory food table, we have the homemade macaroni and cheese. Here we have the green beans with the turkey necks, the stuffed bell peppers with ground beef, ham, shrimp, and crab meat. You have the deviled eggs, the regular cornbread dressing with the turkey and the chicken in it. And here we have the beef roast stuffed with garlic, the seafood cornbread dressing, and here is the other pan of the seafood cornbread dressing. Here we have the green peas, the collard greens smothered in smoked turkey necks, and over here we have the candied yams. Oh, look at how good that looks. And this is the dirty rice, the potato salad, And the finale, y'all. Look at this. The Thanksgiving turkey. Yes, yes, yes. Look at how beautiful that looks. So that is it. We have our sweets table and our savory table. And there we have it. Alright y'all, and that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and again I would like to thank you all so very much for all the support, everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you all have a wonderful, safe, and happy Thanksgiving. And until next time, take care. Peace.